Once you are fully vaccinated, 2 weeks after your last dose, you can shed your mask.
Pop the champagne cork. New guidance from the CDC bringing some good news to the 118 million Americans fully vaccinated for COVID-19. We begin with masks no longer needed in most situations now, according to the CDC, indoors or outdoors. While Idaho never had a statewide mask mandate, several cities in the region put them in place. McCall recently lifted its order, while the capital city of Idaho still requires masks inside for now. Our Joey Prechtel tells us the city of Boise is going to be making some changes tomorrow. And Joey, they're working with Central District Health right now on the guidance. Were you able to find out anything tonight?
Yeah, Mark, well, on top of Boise changing its order, Central District Health has already lifted the public health advisory they had in place for the 4 counties in their jurisdiction. That's Ada, Boise Valley, and Elmore counties. I talked with the director of CDH earlier today about that decision, and he told me because of this latest guidance from the CDC, he felt it was no longer necessary for the health district to provide that level of detail to the counties. After more than a year in this COVID-19 pandemic, the CDC now telling Americans masks are not required for everyone.
People who are vaccinated no longer need to wear a mask indoors or outdoors or physically distanced.
The guidance does still call for masking in some indoor situations, like on planes, trains, and buses, transportation hubs like airports, and if you're showing symptoms. But what about the grocery store or other indoor businesses? Well, that really depends.
Central District Health is not going to basically tell them how to operate their businesses, because people who are unvaccinated should continue to wear face coverings when out in public spaces.
The guidance applies to folks who have received their final dose of the vaccine and it's been more than 2 weeks, but they can still be asked to mask up in places like hospitals and private businesses if they require them.
You have no idea of people's vaccination status. It's still present in our communities. We don't have near the cases that we had, let's say, this past winter, but it's still around, and I think precautions are appropriate for people who are unvaccinated.
The city of Boise is expected to announce changes to its mask mandate on Friday. Russ Duke says he talked to Mayor Lauren McLean about the new guidance.
I think they were just as surprised as we were here at Central District Health with this news, and it takes a little bit of time to digest it and determine the best path forward.
Right now in CDH, Duke estimates that around 50% of people are partially vaccinated.
We're providing this updated guidance. It provides a lot more freedom to those who are vaccinated. So I'm hoping it'll boost our rate from where it is today.
Now, when it comes to schools, Duke told me that this guidance does not change anything. CDH is still recommending schools require masks for the students as well as the staff members. Their Boise School District announced earlier today that they are not going to change their mask policy until the CDC releases further guidance specific to schools. Back to you.
It is a nice step towards what we believe will be normalcy coming soon, we hope. All right, Joey Prechtel reporting live for us tonight. Joey, thanks.